everyone. Welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan. You mentioned correct. Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today, we give lesson Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales, the application knowledge target for yourself protect your own health. The correct mother knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions consists of 40 different actions, total of 80 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. The requirement for participating to learn and obtain effect and so on. We are pleased put on the following after the teaching video. So please everyone must watch and read carefully. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First, we teach leg action. Wait, that's like hold, that's like raise. It's back raise. And then shift the weight to that's like back raise. We see the side. Very be careful. That's not a kick. Okay, just raise slowly. Yes, just raise. And the knee should cross, not straight. Okay, we do 2 times. Very good. Now we teach hand action, shoulder action. Shoulder, the hand open, finger open, middle finger, and every finger like catch ball, just need to change it, like catch ball. And the middle finger put on your pants the same of side. And another finger hold your leg. And up, down, up, down. Yes, smooth, up, down, up, down. The middle finger, left, same. You hold the same. Okay, put on same. Up, down, up, down. Because it is very important for our correct position we need. So the middle finger must put on this pants, same of side, same, up, down. Yes. And then shoulder. 1 raise, 1 down. 1 up, 1 down. Yes. Okay, now we do 2 times about the hand action. Very good. Now we connect hand, shoulder, and with leg. Yes, very good. Now we connect hand, shoulder, leg to do 4 times. And we need count. Use 2 kind different language. In here we choose English and Hanyu. Somebody say, excuse me, why we should keep use 2 kind different language to count? Good question. Because we need to protect our chicken lung. So we check lung short everyday exercise and far away bronchitis, pandemic, lung disease, either lung cancer, and many different diseases. So we need 2 kind language, different language to count. Some people ask, excuse me, I cannot speak Hanyu. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, English, Spanish, right? Only 2 kind different language will protect our check lung. Okay, now we do 4 times connect hand, leg, and we also need eyes look straight, smiling face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Do this action. Couple things we must remember. Number 1, the feet touch floor should lightly, cannot kick. No. And read. Just read. Cannot do that. No, just read. So, your feet cannot make any sound with ground lightly. Number 2, leg, body upright, and avoid leaning forward or backward. Neck, keep straight. And the shoulder up to limit, down to limit, and switch up to limit, down to limit. And your middle finger, hold, put on, pen, same, outside, same, up, down, up, down. But your middle finger never left the same, just put on. Another finger hold your leg, smooth. Of course, your knee should cross, cannot outside, inside cross. Okay, we will do 20 times with a count, smiling face, eyes look straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10. Excellent. The knee should cross. Yes, cannot say. Okay? And the action must keep slowly because your leg raise, not kick. So should slowly breathe and then can keep protect your body. So every action cannot fast. You must be choose correct and slowly make a guarantee your action is good. So make it easy and correct slowly action. Then correct language. You must correct language at home. You can protect your own health every day. It is true and easy. After you will discover many things happen about your body. You can easily far away bronchitis, pandemic, lung disease, lung cancer, and many diseases. Of course, you easily get happy, enjoy life.